Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to enable fall detection and crash detection on your Apple Watch SE 2nd generation. Let's get started. So, the first thing that we need to do is go to settings. For that, wake up your watch and then click on this digital crown and click on this settings icon. Then scroll down until you will see tab which is named SOS. Here is it. Click on it and the first thing that we can see right here is fall detection. Now it's working only during workouts. To change it to always on, simply click on the fall detection and switch to always on. You can also read this warning, then scroll down and click confirm. Now let's move on to the crash detection. Here is it. And now we would need to click on it, and as you can see, it's already enabled by default. But for example, if you would like to disable it, simply click on this slider, read this warning and click turn off. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you so much for watching.